special!
Let's play! A matching game. No, not a match. Not a match. It's a match! Yay! Now that our dinosaurs are all ready, let's use them to create toys that we can play with. We'll need glue and some lollipop sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put some glue onto my stick and then stick it to the back of each dinosaur. Like this. Now I can hold the lollipop stick like a handle and play with them like toys. Now all we have to do is use our imagination to come up with a story. I think I've got one. Let's go! Oh dear, the lava glows. A little egg has nowhere to go. No mama near, no papa in sight. Alone on this scary, fiery night. Look at that lava. Danger is near. But we are brave, so do not fear. I'll find some rocks to clear away. Come on, friends, let's save the day. I'll push the rocks with all my might. Roll, roll, roll until they're tight. The path is ready. Look and see. Working together is the key. I'll fly up high into the sky to guide your steps as I swoop by. I see the way to solid ground. Follow me where it's safe and sound. Crack, crack, crack. Oh, look at it shake. A new little friend is starting to wake. With my long neck, gentle and slow, I'll scoop up this dino and away we go. Lifted high above the heat, now our rescue is complete. Step by step, with friends so near, the little dino feels no fear. Back to mama, back to dad, helping others makes hearts so glad.